have a cooking show today. Don't know. Chef Tricks, whole lot of shit. We outside.
So this video is you catch your own fish and you get to eat your own fish. We're gonna see who tastes the best. So today I can mix them up. I can trick their head. So they think I only doing grilled chicken. Grilled fish. But today I'm going to do grilled fish, fried fish. Thinking about doing a little fish salad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's how we going today.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
Right, stop now. Stop now. Now we go to the shop with your boys. Never.
Yes, sir. We got another basket. You know, we about to fill this one up.
We gotta stay in the budget.
Yeah.
Boy, you ain't need onion.
Yeah, brilliant.
See, no, boy, no do that like that, man. You take, reach him one of them bags. You know, stag in use. Reach him one of them bags. You know that bag there for.
No, I know what I'm
Give me that onion.
Grab one more onion.
You don't need any rum?
Oh, we got rum.
We got. Trust me, that's big to wait. Yeah.
We don't fake it. We be reality.
Yeah, but I fake it. I had it yesterday.
Man say his ass hurt and he need ointment.
Never say that. I never say that. Them boys, they're like boom.
You say that.
Y'all know I just messed up my hip on the jet ski the other day. Can't walk that much.
Where you pop?
Are you on the hippie hoppy man kid?
All right, man.
Yo.
No, but.
By the way, wait, do not fake it. He just was checking out the seat, making sure it worked right. He ain't faking it. Okay, stag up.
Cheers to a day that's about to get
Fucked up!
feeling good, bro. I'm just ready to hop over and clean up that whole water, bro. I ain't gonna tell you no lie.
You confident?
Yes, sir. Very, very confident. They call me fish legs. Yes, sir.
The rules are the guys have 30 minutes to catch as many fish as they can. Whatever fish they catch, they will then have to cook and serve to our judges. It's not about the most amount of fish, it's about the best tasting dish.
Alright, the boys are in the waters right now. They got 30 minutes to catch some fish. Then we're rolling to a beach. We're cooking up some meals, having a little eating contest. We're judging on most interesting meal, most delicious plate, and the best looking dish.
I ain't gonna lie, Stag can shoot everything, bro.
Real Ric Flair, baby. Ready to fish it, ready to cook it, ready to win it.
Oh! You know what? Yo, Tricks! That's lavish, the school girls.
That's La Fish.
Bro, I ain't even going down there. I stand from on top. I lined it up and bop. All these wannabe fishermen, they calling themselves going fishing every day. I going down there and I bust a fish in less than 5 minutes. You feel me? It tastes good. Remember, y'all looking for the best tasting fish. Small, but tastes good. Yes, sir.
Where is yours?
So you want me to bring up a baby fish?
Bring any fish.
You might win by default if we only have one fish.
We come out here to cook fish, not here. Thank you.
18 minutes left.
The only fish so far.
Hey, go down there, man. They down there.
Throw it on the boat. Do not throw that on this boat. So we say you're not in this water?
You know, reef. We need water with y'all.
But he's not in the water to catch it. Check the cooler.
I was looking for a
Check the cooler.
See all the rocks over there?
Yeah. Yeah, there's things in there, yeah. See that, right? So we good to still check? Yes, Steven, are you ready to move?
Close to the stag. It's a spot close to the stag.
You will be right beside Stag. Stag will show you the ropes.
I'm happy we got lobster. I like lobster better than fish. Yeah.
Oh yeah, me too.
Stag's
Sick,
gonna
dude.
eat lobster.
Totally sick, man. Me too.
Y'all know Captain Jason. Ice do this.
Man, those them out there snorkeling. That man fishing.
So Stag currently has the most amount of fish and is leading the fishing competition. However, remember it's not about how many you catch, but about how you cook them.
You got something? You got a conch, the only fish in the sea that don't run. Let me cheer him on. Yes, Steven! 5 minutes. Let me see.
I went down to get a giant lobster. I ended up coming up with a giant lobster and a Popeye. Where's the spinach? Aye, aye.
Now that they've caught their fish, the teams now have 60 minutes to cook the best dish possible to serve for our 4 judges.
You know I go wake to wake in the building. Captain Jason, Captain Steven,
Aye, aye, aye.
Captain Ed, Captain Ric Flair. You know we got Tricks out for kids, aka Captain.
The man with the plan do whatever he can.
Bam.
Bitch, get off
So
of me.
today we showing you guys a little island style. So this is what we call man versus food, all right? Lobster, conch, and fish.
Yes, sir.
Whatever you catch, Mother Nature is all we rely on. We don't rely on weather channels. We're gonna show you how we clean these, prep these, get them ready for a real lunch, all right? Stay tuned.
60 minutes. Make your meals. Let's go.
Sir, let's go. We're gonna see who got the best island taste today, guys. If you like that sauce, come down, man. Wake to wake. We flossing.
Aye. Unfortunately, guys, you don't gotta brag, but they say size matters.
Lucky day, lucky pig.
I got a big
All right,
lobster.
follow me over here, bro. Look at this table right now. We just full of spices. I must say, my island guys over here can cook. I've tasted a few of their foods. Amazing. Got a lot of season over here. Still got a lot of soft snacks. You look, we got that little propane tank with the grill over here, man. We about to whip it right up.
You never know, you might get a conch pearl.
Yep, you got it. Watch out, man. We explaining, y'all.
There we go, baby girl. Now, I want you to hold it by the conch horn. So that hard part is called a conch horn or the conch foot. And what you can do with this right now is straight out the ocean. Shell. Straight out the ocean.
Gonna be some bomb meals. So like, I'm super stoked. Eating good today. So I've got high expectations for Stag. But also, Steven, Rick, Ed, you never know. It could go either way.
So this is gonna be my sweet grilled corn. See, I tell you, I came to shake nigga brain, and I came to shake people's brain. I'm gonna blow your mind. You're gonna hire me to come back after this.
So y'all saying tomorrow we eating? What time? 5:30?
Half an hour before I start giving out taste buds.
All right, guys. There's 15 minutes left. No one's listening to me.
According to the chef rules, guys, there's 15 minutes left before your time is up. Either cook raw, cook chef, or I don't know, I messed up. That was it. That was my guess.
I take two.
That was my chef Jason. 15 minutes left. Mr. Taylor.
I'm sorry?
14 minutes left.
Yes, sir.
My guys are not looking too promising right now.
Do we have some drama in the kitchen today?
Yeah, we had a lot of drama earlier, you know.
Hey, either you cooking or me got my money, eh?
A lot of wannabe chefs. A lot of drama cost a lot of time, you know.
This lobster going on the grill right now.
Getting hot in the kitchen.
Boy, I ain't hungry. I ain't telling no lie, man. Cam, I hungry.
Bad boy, I tell you I want to now, dog.
Wait, let me catch it. Wait. I can shake people's brains, bro. The only thing I'm missing was a regular frying pan. I had to make my own. So this is my own frying pan I just made.
Oh, I can't see anything.
This is very, very, very intense.
And this is gonna be our grilled conch salad collage. Cracked lobster right here. I tell you, I'm gonna shake these guys' minds today. The man with the plan, do whatever he can. Yes, sir. So right there, look at that.
They put two fat guys versus two skinny guys, man. Think about it. It's simple logics, right? It's like throwing a ball out. It's gotta come down, right? Physics.
Look at the size of those guys.
It's gonna be close.
Come on, man. Steven can make Stag and Turks in one. They make that plate look like spoon.
Y'all need more butter, though?
Contestants, you have 5 minutes.
Stop walking.
Contestants, you have 5 minutes.
We're almost ready to start serving, guys. Look at these lobsters. They're so beautifully cooked.
So we're pretty much done here. If you want to zoom in right here,
Good, man. I must say.
this is me. This is what I do, bro. Y'all know what it is. So this right here, this is called luxury, baby.
Bro, unreal.
Yo, the season is perfect. Perfect.
I like the smoky flavor from the grill.
The lobster's super like smoky, but at the same time like it tastes gourmet, in my opinion.
We pretty much did everything on the grill, nothing fried, which is way more healthier than our competitors. High protein, low in fat. Exactly.
It has some lemon and some pepper and some herbs. I'm all about that.
That tastes good. And hey, it's soft. It's nice and soft.
No. This one's the real one right here. I am down to this one.
Not enough season, more black pepper. I can actually tell what it is.
Guys, you don't want to forget the conch salad. You want to dip some of the conch salad, throw it inside the place.
Steven did really good with this.
Oh, honest.
Honestly, it's a really good job.
That's very good sportsmanship.
Yeah, very good.
It's a really good job.
I could do with some chili.
Fish is the
Not gonna lie, do with some chili.
All right, listen.
I'm thriving right now.
We got one more pot.
Everything I've had has been unreal.
This is amazing. Day lobster is amazing. The cracked lobster was amazing too, but boy, this steamed lobster,
It's gonna be tough.
I get more lobster
man,
here, bro, if you want. I get some
it's
more
different, bro.
lobster
It's different right now.
Some Scotch concrete here.
Okay.
Bon appetit.
Bro, have another one.
I don't eat lobster.
Have another one. Make sure she.
Okay, Megan. So who's your vote for?
Surprisingly, and I hope Stag doesn't hate me after this, but Steven and Ric Flair.
Steven comes through with some type of fish. I don't know what it is. It's small. It be looking like it's gonna be tough. I have one try, and I'm telling you, I want the whole plate. That guy takes my vote this time.
I gotta go Stag. Fried lobster was unreal. I'm American. Fried shit.
2-1. For me, both was really good. The lobster was really good. I don't like lobster, and I ate all of it. The fish was amazing and the conch was amazing, but I might have to go with.
Hold it right there, Darius. Let's not spoil the final results.
All right, chefs, get her around. About to announce the winner. I must say, guys, you guys did a great job today. I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie, the food was amazing. But it all comes down to who's tastes the best. A good win goes to my guy Ric Flair and Steven. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Good, I'm
Yeah, man, I
excited.
feel like a winner, man. Tune in, man. Steven's in Ric Flair's Real Kitchen. Tune in or you lose out, man. Tune in or you lose out. I mean, all I can say is we caught it, we cooked it, we won it.
Yeah.